Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about tips and tricks for installing a ceiling fan. When installing a ceiling fan, your basic tools are a drill with a Phillips bit or a Phillips tip screwdriver, a pair of wire strippers, electrical tape, and wire nuts. One of the biggest things that I use to cut down the time of installing a ceiling fan is a battery-powered drill. This cuts so much time off, you don't have to sit there and try to crank that stupid little screwdriver around. You can just pull the trigger on this. It's done in a couple seconds. Otherwise, it might take you 45 seconds to a minute to do just one screw. Next, I like to go ahead and assemble everything I can down on the ground. That way, I'm not trying to assemble it while I'm on the ladder or trying to do it while I'm sitting there with everything above my head. Go ahead and do as much as possible down on the ground, such as even putting the lock washers on your screws. Rather than sitting there trying to hold the fan blade and put these on and then put it on your drill, go ahead and install it like this, and then I'll put it on my fan. I'll go ahead and place the screw on my drill like this and then put it in the fan blade. That way all I have to do is push it right up there and screw it in rather than trying to do both at the same time. Next, the electrical tape plays a big part in installing a ceiling fan. When you put a ceiling fan in there, they always move just a little bit. With that movement, it could cause your wires to slip loose from your wire nuts. I always like to put about a 3-inch piece on my wire nuts. That way, they won't wiggle loose. It's not going to arc against anything. Next, with your wire strippers. These come in handy. Rather than trying to use a razor blade to strip these wires with, all you do is put it in there and pull it right off. It gives you the exact diameter cut that you need for your wire. One of the biggest tips I can give you is always make sure your electric is shut off at the box, not just the switch. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thanks for watching and good luck with this project.